Alright, let's dive in. The P1101 code is a manufacturer-specific code, often found on GM, Ford, and a few others. It usually points to a performance or range issue with the mass airflow sensor. So, what does this mean, you ask? Well, the MAF sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine, which is vital information for the computer. This helps it calculate the correct amount of fuel to inject. Now, when the P1101 code pops up, the computer is basically saying that the MAF reading is outside the expected range, or doesn't quite match up with other engine readings like RPM or throttle position. The most common symptom you'll notice is that pesky check engine light illuminating. You might also experience a loss of power, an unstable or rough idle, difficulty starting, or even increased fuel consumption. So, if you see the P1101, the most typical culprit is a dirty or faulty MAF sensor. You might want to try cleaning it thoroughly with a specific MAF sensor cleaner. Also, it's a good idea to check for vacuum leaks in the engine intake system, including hoses, the air intake, and the oil cap. A leak can really mess with the measured airflow. Don't forget, a clogged air filter can restrict airflow and cause inaccurate readings too. Lastly, inspect the MAF sensor wiring and connector for any damage. If you ignore the P1101 code, it can lead to some pretty serious consequences. An inaccurate MAF reading can result in an improper fuel mixture, which means higher fuel consumption. It can also damage the catalytic converter due to inefficient combustion and ultimately cause premature engine wear, so it's definitely something you don't want to overlook.